Have you ever looked around and realized everyone else is already miles ahead? Starting late doesn't destroy your dreams. Staying perfectly still once you realize you're behind does. You can't recover the years you've lost. To move forward, you have to stop comparing your timeline and accept exactly where you are. This is your progress timeline. Catching up doesn't happen through one massive overnight breakthrough. Your only job is to make a single ordinary day count. There will be days when excitement disappears and the work feels impossible, but motivation is temporary. Discipline is what continues when you don't feel ready. Because here is the mathematical reality of daily effort. Hundreds of seemingly invisible actions begin to compound. Stacking those slightly better days makes the gap between you and your goal impossible to ignore. Fear will tell you to wait until you have more experience, to wait until you're confident. But confidence doesn't come first. Action does. One day you'll look back and realize the moment everything changed wasn't when you